Okay, so our training is on YouTube Live right now. Let me share my PowerPoint. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, hi guys, welcome to our Big Seller training tonight. I'm your trainer, Tansy from Big Seller. And for our training today, we will have three topics. The first one, order processing, how to process your order in Big Seller. And second topic, push inventory. Actually, this feature is to help you avoid overselling and better manage your stock, especially when you are selling the product across multiple shops, multiple marketplaces. Sometimes you will face the problem like overselling or maybe hard to manage. So big seller push inventory can help you a lot. This is our second topic. And the last topic would be the new features, especially for offline seller and also for maybe some seller, you are facing the problem like always receive the complaint from your buyer, haven't received the package or maybe item damage, but you cannot find any proof to be the evidence. So later I will introduce some new features to help you solve these problems. Okay, so let's get started with the first topic, order processing, how to process your order in Big Seller. Okay, before this topic, I need to go back to Big Seller to introduce the first one step if you want to get started with Big Seller. Okay, and here is our Big Seller page. For Big Seller new user, after you have registered your Big Seller account, then the first one thing you need to do is to do authorization. You can go for setting or here, this icon, go for authorization. Yeah, this is the first one thing. You need to authorize your shop to your big seller first. And here, all the marketplaces you can see like Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, and also for some self-built marketplace like Shopify, WooCommerce, and also Zalora, Pigimo. Maybe some of you are doing on these marketplaces. Yeah, here all the marketplaces you can see we support processing order. Okay, and also if you are selling on Facebook or maybe for some other channel we big seller currently don't support, you can use manual order to record it. And also for offline shop, for your offline orders, you can also use the post retail order to record it. Yeah, if you're doing on these channels, you can leave your comment in the chat box to let me know. So in the final Q&A part, I can offer you some more detail about these channels. And today, our training will focus on the order from the marketplace. Okay, so here, after you click into add new store, finish the authorization, then for new orders will be automatically synchronized to here, orders, processing orders, new orders here. Okay, so go back to the flow. Yeah, what is the key step you need to do if you want to process order in Big Seller? Here, okay, this is the flow for order processing. Okay, you can see actually we only need to focus on these 4 steps to process order. For new orders, will be automatically synchronized to Big Seller, and you only need to pack. Here also means arrange shipment. After this order have been packed, then will be moved to second step, in process order. And in second step, you can do shipping label printing, like pick list, invoice. You can do all the printing in the second step. And after finish the printing, you can do the packing. And after this package prepare, you need to ship the orders in Big Seller. After this order has been shipped, then will be moved to the third step, to pick up orders. And for to pick up here, you need to wait for the courier. Maybe it's pick up, you need to wait for the courier to take the package. If it's drop off, then you need to take the package to the courier guy there. And after the courier scan the package, then these orders will be moved to the final step, ship orders. Okay, so basically, if you are selling on the marketplace like Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, Shopify, WooCommerce, you just need to focus on here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. And for voided orders, here actually you can imagine like voided orders is a separate listing for your pre-orders. Yeah, sometimes maybe you have a pre-order, but you don't need to process right now. So when your pre-order synchronize to new orders in Big Seller, you can click void and then move it to voided orders, a separate listing. When you get ready to process your pre-order, you can click revert. Then this order will be moved back to the status, the listing, according to the actual status for this order. Then you can start process. Yeah. And also, voided orders can help you release the inventory for the order if maybe you have enabled Big Seller inventory feature. So when you have a new order, the system will allocate a stock. But if you void it, then inventory will be released. Yeah, but that's another topic for our next topic for inventory feature. Okay, but basically you just need to focus on these 4 steps. So now let's go back to Big Seller. Okay, here is our Big Seller. For new orders, it will be automatically synchronized to here, new orders. But here, because I don't have any orders, so I need to create an order to be example. Here in order entry, I can create a manual order. Yeah, manual order, just like what I have told just now. For manual order, you can record order from some other channel, maybe from your Q10, Amazon, or maybe eBay, some other marketplaces. Let me select it. Okay, confirm, save, go to check. Okay, so here I have created a new order here. This is a new order. You can see here is a channel from my manual orders. Okay, so for this new order, I just need to do pack to arrange shipment. But remember, if you are selling in the marketplace, remember to go for setting. Here, shipping setting, logistic and FOB setting, you need to enable the shipping method first. But actually, for the first time you register your Big Seller, we system will have the reminder as well. Yeah, remind you go for the setting, a tutorial. Yeah, a tutorial guidance. Yeah, will pop out. You need to set the shipping method, enable this button. Suppose I'm using JNT, so I need to enable my JNT Express in here, Shopping Malaysia, enable it. Okay, so this is a condition, precondition, setting, shipping setting, enable your shipping method. Okay, so go back to order processing for new orders. Okay, so once I get the new order, I just need to click pack, can do it by single, and also can bulk check, can pack all the orders in this page. Okay, let me try one. Just click the pack here, and then this order will be moved to the next step, in process order, the second step. And for in process order here, we can start doing the printing, like shipping label, pick list, invoice, you can print here. And for the shipping label printing, you can do by single, like this example. I can click here, the printer icon, to print the shipping label of this order. And also, if you have too many orders, you can bulk check and check this button to do the shipping label bulk printing. And for the shipping label printing, in Big Seller here, we have 2 print methods. The first one is general printing, and the second, auto high-speed printing. And here the difference is that for auto high-speed printing, we can print shipping label across logistic, marketplaces, and shops. Yeah, so it means that if you want to print shipping label from your Shopee, Lazada, TikTok at the same time, so you can try this one, auto high-speed printing. Yeah, and also can across logistic. But here you need to download this printing plugin before you try auto high-speed. Yeah, this is the condition requirement. And here, because I haven't installed it for the auto high speed, so I will try general printing to show you. The general printing only support printing shipping label from the same shop, same marketplace, and same logistic. So before you try printing shipping label, you need to use the filter to choose marketplace, shop, and also shipping method, and then check it to print. General, start printing, and wait for a while. For general printing, with Big Seller we'll have this preview for the shipping label. What information inside, you can have a check. But because this is a manual order, So the information here would be weird, but for your order from Shopee, Lazada, TikTok, you don't need to worry about that. Yeah, it will be the same format from your seller center. And then you can click here to do printing directly. When you go back to Big Seller, here we'll have this pop-out reminder. Please click Mark as printed if you print successfully. So if you make sure, yeah, this order already printed, no problem. So you can click here, Mark as printed. Then you will have this icon, label printed, this one. So here, by checking this icon, you can avoid the situation like sometimes the warehouse people, they will have the duplicate printing. So we'll have duplicate package. Yeah. So will cause maybe the loss in your business. So remember, before you printing the shipping label, you can use the filter here, choose print status, not printed, and then just check it to print directly. And remember, after you printed the shipping label, just click Mark as printed. So the order will be moved to printed filter here under this listing. Okay, so this is the filter. And also you can save the filter. Like I can choose here, not printed, save it. So every time when I'm printing the shipping label, Big Seller will show me the order I haven't been printed. Then I can check it, print it directly and with no problem. Okay. So this is the shipping label printing, how to do it. But talking about the shipping label, the format, the template. In Big Seller here, we have a feature named Customize Shipping Label. Yeah, maybe some of you already heard about that, or maybe you are using it. Yeah, but for some new user here, you can follow my step. Go to Setting, Shipping Setting, Every Setting here, this one. Just need to go to Edit. Suppose I'm using JNT, this one, JNT Express. Just need to go here, Edit. And the first option is the shipping label template. You can customize the shipping label format, the template in Big Seller. Click Change. And you can see here the difference. Yeah, if you haven't set anything on Big Seller, our system will use the standard shipping label. This one, the first one. Let me zoom in. And in Big Seller, our feature customize shipping label. Yeah, we can put the SKU information in here. So for some seller, if they choose our customized shipping label, they don't need to print the pick list, pack list to do the pick and pack. Yeah, would be very convenient. Just need to print shipping label and then can finish all the steps to do the packing. And also here you can choose the information you want to display, like SKU name or maybe the product title, quantity, order number, buyer message, or some notes. And also you can set some fragile message and can customize the Shopee logo. And also for TikTok, you can customize JNT logo and can design some label note like fragile or some appreciation message. And also if you have some shop promotion or maybe some slogan, you can add image here as well. Yeah, but here we have a problem is that the SKU or some other information here, you can see we cannot do it like a dynamic preview. Yeah, everything is stable, it's fixed here. Yeah, even though maybe I already changed some information, here we have no changing. So in the following days, we will have an optimization on this part. So you will have a dynamic preview for the customized shipping label. You can see which product information, what it look like, and then I can decide whether to put in or not. Yeah. But now here, this preview is fixed. Yeah. But in the following days, we will have the optimization. Yeah. Now it's in the testing stage. Okay. For a customized shipping label, click confirm. So here is the way to design your own style shipping label to customize. And also here, we have some other options. Can choose the carry method, maybe by pickup or drop off by default, and shipping label size, whether to print pack list with label or not. Yeah, here are some other options. And remember to click save after you have designed the template. Click save and here is successful. So next time when I'm printing the shipping label for my J&T Express, we'll use the customer shipping label I already designed in the editing page. Okay, so here is the way to design our shipping label. And for some other printing like pick list, pack list, you can go for here, print setting, this one, go to edit, then to design the template. And also for invoice, yeah, you can print invoice for your buyer, for your clients in Big Seller. But before you do printing for invoice, recommend you set here the template first and then do printing. Then you can choose the information you want to display in your invoice. Okay, so this is for printing. Go back to here, processing order. The second step, in process order. After doing the printing, after doing the packing, then you need to ship the order. Here, for order shipping, you can click by single, this button, to ship this order, or you can bulk check to ship all the orders in this page. But for this step is to manual ship. Yeah, you need to click the ship button manually, and also sometimes it will make error. Yeah, because like this order, if I need to click ship, I need to go for the warehouse place to check whether this package is prepared or not. If yes, then I can click ship. But if I have too many orders, sometimes will make the problems, will make error. So here we have another recommendation, scan to ship. This one, scan to ship. Yeah, if you already have a scanner in the warehouse, you can connect the scanner to your computer. And here, just need to use your scanner to scan the barcode on the shipping label. And once you scan it, then this order will be successfully shipped. And then we'll move to the next step to pick up orders. So by using this feature, scan to ship, you don't need to do the double checking in here whether this package is prepared or not. Yeah, you just need to use your scanner to scan the barcode, scan it, and then the order will be successfully shipped. Yeah, successfully shipped. And this feature, here I can show you example how to do it. But before I try scan to ship, I need to check my setting. Here I can choose the scan times to be 1 times or 2 times. Here, if I choose 2 times, when I when I scan the first time, here will display the order information, yeah, the SKU information first for me to do double checking. And for the second scan, then this order will be automatically shipped. And also we have the weighing setting. Yeah, for some seller, maybe they want to record the package weight. They want to record it so they can enable it. Just connect the electrical scale to their computer, then can finish the weighing setting. Okay, here can also print manifest, the courier manifest. So let me try one example for this one. If you have a scanner connected, if you don't have, so you can try to input the check-in number or package number. Here, I don't have the check-in number because this is a manual. So I will copy the package number. Number start from BS, copy, go for here, paste here. So now I can try the first scan. Okay, so here finish the first scan. Here will display the SKU information. I can do double checking. If no problem, scan it again. Then here will ship successfully. Okay, so now this order has been shipped. Let me refresh it. You can see this order is disappeared. Yeah, has been moved to pick up orders, the next step. And after I finish scan to ship, I can click here, generate manifest. Yeah, this is a courier manifest for you to record how many package you already shipped for this time. And also you can print it down to let the courier sign it here, make it a date. And all the manifests you have generated will be saved in Big Seller orders, manifest manage. Yeah, so in the future, when you have a problem, like maybe your package lost, yeah, you can go back to here to find the manifest. Is there any problem? So you can contact the courier to confirm again. Yeah, courier manifest. Yeah, this is a scan to ship. Quite helpful, scan to ship, this feature, very efficient. But if you don't have a scanner, yeah, maybe for some seller, your business just get started, yeah, you don't have any budget to purchase these devices. So you can try our Big Seller mobile app. Yeah, we have this feature as well. in the mobile app. So you can use your phone camera to scan the barcode on the shipping label, then to finish scan to ship. If you have interest in this feature, later I will introduce more detail. Scan to ship by using Big Seller app, the mobile app. Okay, so for my order has been moved to the third step, to pick up orders. This one, to pick up orders. And for to pick up here, we need to wait for the courier to scan it. And once the courier scan it, once this order already have logistic information, so will be moved to last step, ship listing. And in ship listing here, we have two status. One is ship successful, another one is ship failed. Yeah, these two listing. If your order has not been canceled, the status is normal, so will be moved to here, ship. But if it's canceled, will be moved to ship failed. Yeah, and for the ship failed order, you need to manual stock in the inventory here. Cancel order stock in. Yeah, if you already enable Big Seller inventory feature, you need to do cancel order stock in to stock in the inventory to your Big Seller warehouse. Then we'll push to your online shop. Yeah, that's another topic. Next topic, push inventory. Yeah, just a notification for your ship file. You need to do cancel order stock in. If you already enable our Big Seller inventory feature. Okay, so yeah, here are our 4 steps to process order. For new orders, you need to pack, then move to in process. You need to print and ship, and then we'll move to pick up. When the courier scan it, so we'll move to the final step, ship listing. Very easy. And for all orders here, if you want to check the orders that placed in the past time, you can go for all orders here to check. We have 2 listings and they are separated. Orders within 90 days and order placed for more than 90 days. Order history, they are separated. And for voided orders, yeah, can be for your pre-orders, you can void it when they synchronize to Big Seller, and that will be saved in here, a separate listing. Okay, so here is the introduction for order processing, how to process your order in Big Seller. And for Lazada seller, remember on our setting, other setting, here for Lazada seller, in the order setting, we have a Lazada RTS setting. So if you are selling on Lazada, you need to set it on. And here we have 3 options. You can choose when you pack this order, then move to RTS, or when you print shipping label, or when you click ship, then move to RTS. Actually here, the second or the third will be better. Yeah, for your choice. So you will have more time to prepare your package. Yeah. Otherwise, if you choose the first option, maybe you haven't print shipping label, you haven't packed the package, but the courier come to you. Yeah, when you click pack, and the package has not been prepared. So the seller center will punish you. Yeah, so will cause some penalty. Okay. This is for Lazada seller. So go back to our topic today for order processing. First topic, just 4 steps to process your order in Big Seller. And here I want to share some benefits with you guys. Here we have 3 benefits if you process order in Big Seller. The first one is that you can handle all of your orders from all the marketplaces in just one Big Seller. And second is that you can print your customized shipping label, pick list, invoice, and some other kinds of sheets in one Big Seller. And also, last one, you can better manage your stock and avoid overselling if you process your order in Big Seller. And next topic would be the inventory manage, how to avoid overselling and synchronize the inventory across multiple shops and marketplaces, our next topic. So now let's take a break. If you have any question, you can ask in the group here. Yeah, in our chat box, can ask here. Yeah, any question about order processing, or maybe you have some other interests for some features in here, you can leave here. Leave the question in the chat box. Pick list. Here I notice we have a question for pick list. Yeah, could you elaborate your question? Give me some example and make it detailed. What if I have several Shopee shop? Yeah, if you have multiple Shopee, you can authorize in here, go for authorization setting, authorization center. You can authorize all of your shop in Big Seller. If you are in free version, you can authorize up to 5 shops. And how to void order? Yeah, if you have a new order or in-process order, maybe you want to release the inventory, or maybe you are not urgent to process, you want to leave it to a separate group, you can click void to void it. And how to do void orders? You can go for orders, processing orders, new orders. In bulk action, you can see here, void order. In process, the same step, bulk action, void it. And actually for new orders, you can also click into 3 dots to void it. But here I don't have any new order. Let me see. Let me try revert it. These 2 orders cannot be reverted because they don't have a mapping. Yeah, the mapping would be associated with the next topic, inventory feature. Yeah, so don't worry about this. Yeah, anyway, if you want to void it, you can go for bulk action to void this order. Pick list group by SKU. Yeah, are you mentioning about like the summary for the SKU? Yeah, that is summary list. You can print it on here for new orders. You can print summary list. And also for in process, to pick up ship listing, you can do the printing for summary list. Yeah, it's a summary list. Can try it. And also for summary list, we have the feature optimization this time. Let me show you. You can display the detail summary list. Edit. Yeah, you can display the detailed information for each SKU. Let me show you here. Give me a second. Here we don't have any preview. I think I need to refresh it. Give me a second, guys. Oh, there. Can see here for our A6 will be better, I think. Yeah, summary is just like this one. And also you can display the detailed quantity by maybe the package serial number or maybe the last 4 digit of order number, check-in number to display the order. Like here you can see if I choose the package serial number. So suppose I have 1, 2, 3. Suppose I have 3 orders right now. So if I print the summary list, in here I can see like SKU for this one, Kate 5, this one, this item. I need to pick. Let me see. Actually here just yeah, maybe I can, if you have the needs for it, I can print it, show you. Here just a preview. So the quantity here would be in a weird. You can see 2 in total, but in package 1, just 1 pieces. Yeah, just 1 piece. Yeah. Anyway, here we have the optimization to show the detail. Let me click save and show you. I can print you a summary list. Go for ship. Yeah. Like these 2. Yeah, these 2. And also they have the same SKU. So it's a good example. Go for bulk print it, summary list. Print selected, confirm. For a while, you can see here our summary list. So for SKU test 231110A, this one, we need to pick one piece. And this SKU is in package 2. Here, this is package 1, package 2. Yeah, the order package serial number. This is 1, 2, so this will be 3. Yeah, if you just follow here the order. And also for next SKU, the gray brown, this one. In total, I need to pick 3. And in each package, for package 1, I need 1 piece. Package 2, I need 2 pieces. Just like here. You can see for package 1, 1 piece. Package 2, 2 pieces. So for some seller here, if you want to use the summary list together with the pick list, to do the pick and pack. So you can try it to customize your summary list and display the detailed information inside. And also we have a feature is that you can scan the summary list here to print the shipping label. And this feature is in process. Scan to print, scan and ship, scan to print. This feature. Yeah, you can scan this code to print all the shipping label. So first, you can print the summary list and pick all the items together. Test, I need 1 piece, and AN001, I need 3 pieces. Pick them all to your working place. And then to do the separate count. Like for the first SKU, I need to put it 1 piece in the package 2. And for the second SKU, each pieces, do the packing. And after that, can scan the summary list here, the barcode, then to print shipping label by using scan to print. You can see here, scan summary list barcode. Yeah, this is scan to print. And also require to download the printing plugin. This one, Auto High Speed plugin. Yeah, can try it. Summary list together with scan to print. Yeah, if I didn't explain in a clearly way, you can let me know so I can show you again. Next question. So to revert back the void order, need to map SKU. Actually, for the SKU mapping, if you already enable the inventory feature, then you need to do the mapping. The inventory feature is on the setting, inventory setting. You can check now if you're in front of the computer or your laptop. Yeah, setting, inventory setting. Yeah, that is required for inventory feature. Inventory setting, this one. If you haven't enabled it, so you don't need to do the mapping. Inventory feature is our next topic. Later, I will introduce more detail why you need to enable it and why you don't need to enable it. And hi with Shopee, how can you reschedule order when the order is a file pickup? Reschedule, actually for reschedule, you mean for new orders or in process? Previously, we have the same report for the Shopee file pickup. But according to our IT team, you just need to process this order in again. Click ship again. Then we'll automatically reschedule. You can try click ship again. Previously we have the same case. Okay. Okay, if no question, then we will continue. For our next topic, push inventory. Actually, push inventory is a feature to help us sync inventory across multiple shops. Previously, we call it sync inventory. So maybe when you are checking some help center article or some previous tutorial video, we call it sync inventory. They are the same feature. And how we try this feature, here we have example. When you are selling the same product in shop 1 and shop 2, when shop 1 sold this product, so the stock of this product in shop 1 and shop 2 will all be deducted. So that's the reason why we need to try push inventory. Can help you better avoid overselling and also better manage your stock. And let's see how many steps we need to do if you want to try push inventory. Here we have 4 steps. The first step is to create the merchant SKU. And second is to establish the mapping relationship between merchant SKU and the store SKU. The third step is to set up inventory push rule. And the final step is inventory feature on setting. If you are the first time to approach this feature, maybe it would be seems like a bit frightening, but actually it's okay. If you already have the SKU in your seller center for your product, so for push inventory will be easy for you. And later I will introduce an example how to do it in the easiest way. Okay, so now let's go back to Big Seller. Let's try one example. Okay, go for inventory, push inventory. But here I need to remind all of the seller here, before you try push inventory, you need to make sure all of the SKU, all of the product from your shop, they already have SKU information. And how to check it? You can go for your seller center or your big seller products active here. This listing, SKU, the variation SKU, you need to have the SKU first, and then you can try big seller push inventory. And how we big seller control the stock? I can show you one example, like this one. This is a good example. This one. Okay, suppose I'm selling this product on my Shopee and my Lazada, two shops. And after I want to try this feature, push inventory, I need to first have the SKU in seller center. And this SKU, we call it store SKU. The SKU from your Shopee, from your Lazada seller center, from your shop, so we call it store SKU. And after you already have store SKU, then you need to put this product inside your big seller warehouse. And every product in your big seller warehouse, they will have a code, they will have an ID number. This ID number, we just call it merchant SKU. And this is my merchant SKU listing. And for this product, I already created the merchant SKU, put into my big seller warehouse, Tencent warehouse. And after that, I need to map this merchant SKU with my store SKU. After the mapping, the store SKU inventory will follow the stock in my big seller warehouse, the merchant SKU stock. Like here, I have 100 pieces of my merchant SKU in big seller warehouse. So my Shopee will have 100 pieces. And Lazada the same, 100 pieces. They will always share the same stock because of the mapping and also for the push rule setting. So the mapping is very important. You need to have the SKU in seller center first. Okay, so now let me try one example, how to do it. You can click into here, how to use the push inventory feature, 4 steps. And next, I will follow this 4 steps to show you. Let me create a new tab. Okay, go back to Big Seller. For the first step is to regulate the store SKU. You need to have the SKU in your seller center product first. And we suggest same product, use the same SKU. That would be better for your further management and also in the future. Even though you change a system, if you're in this situation, would be easy for you to do the connection as well. Same product, use the same SKU. Okay, so how to do it, how to change the store SKU in Big Seller. Currently, we only support editing the SKU from Shopee, from TikTok in Big Seller. For Lazada, you need to edit the SKU in Seller Center. But next month, we will have the optimization. So you can edit Lazada SKU in Big Seller right also. So let's go for my Shopee listing. Here, how to add the SKU. You can do it by single, like this product. I want to edit the SKU. I can use single edit. And also, I can bulk check, use bulk edit. And remember, if you are trying to edit the product from your seller center in Big Seller, remember to click sync and edit. Bulk edit, this one, sync and edit. So our system can get the latest information from your seller center to your Big Seller. Sync and edit. And wait for a while. Confirm next. And the next page would be the bulk editing page to edit your product information. And you can see here, this is SKU, store SKU, this listing. Suppose I don't have any information here, I can edit by single, one by one. And also I can use the pencil icon, bulk edit, to edit the SKU in this format, parent SKU plus variation. So means that if I want to edit the SKU, store SKU in a quick way, I just need to fill in the parent SKU. So I need to give it a parent SKU. I can give it by single. And then click this pencil icon for edit. Confirm. You can see here, just parent SKU plus variation. And also you can bulk edit the parent SKU. But here need to be generated with prefix and the starting value, like Tennessee 01, and then confirm. You can see here Tennessee 01, Tennessee 02, 03, 04, and then you can go back to bold edit, confirm. That will be in this format. Yeah, so here is also a way for you to quickly set up your store SKU in Big Seller. And remember to click update. Okay, so this is a way to bulk edit in Big Seller. And also you can use the Excel file, import and export. This one, import to update the product information. Here you can export the product first and then edit the SKU in Excel file. And remember, when you upload here again, check this button, update SKU. So the SKU will be updated as well, following your Excel file. So this is another way to bulk edit. Okay, so here is to edit your store SKU in Big Seller. Remember, same product, use the same SKU. But for some seller, if you are using different SKU, can we still try this one, the feature? Yes, you can do it, but it would be, maybe you need some more step to do the mapping. Yeah, so here we suggest, in this case, same product in same SKU. If you're using the different SKU, you can let me know. Can leave your comment in the chat box. Okay, so here we finish. Let's go for a second step to create merchant SKU and do the mapping. Okay, so now I'm selling the same product on my Shopee PH and my Lazada PH. This one, I'm selling this product. And SKU already the same because I use copy listing this feature. I copy this product from my Shopee to my Lazada. So the SKU are the same. This one, 10C1129 plus variation. Okay, so finish. I can create the merchant SKU right now. How to do it? Just check it and then go for here, map merchant SKU, generate merchant SKU. Again, products, active, check your product, and then go for map merchant SKU, generate selected. If you are using the same SKU for your products across multiple shops already, so you can click generate all, and then all the products, they will be mapped together. Here, I only have one example, so I generate selected. I need to wait for a while. Next step. In here, you will get this pop-up page. And in this pop-up page, you need to confirm how many SKU you are generating and how many stock, whether it's correct or not, and choose your warehouse here. If you only have one warehouse, here will show default warehouse. Just choose that. And also for the stock, just from your seller center, I'm generating the merchant SKU from my Lazada listing. So these are the information from my Lazada. If no question, you can click here, generate. But suppose actually in my warehouse, I have 100 pieces. So I can add it here. Okay, no question, then generate. Here, successful. So I have successfully generated the merchant SKU for my Lazada product. So how to check it? I can go for inventory, merchant SKU. You can see here, 1, 2, 3. 3 variations already created the merchant SKU. One variation is one merchant SKU and also have been mapped with my Lazada store SKU, and they're in the same name. And inventory, just follow the information I input in the pop-up page. 100 pieces. 100 pieces. Yeah, the same. Okay, so now I finished my Lazada product, but I also sell this product in my Shopee. So I need to do the same step. Go to active, check it, and then map merchant SKU, generate selected. Wait for a while. Confirm and next. And in this page, yeah, actually for the second generate, for third generate, in another marketplaces, you don't need to check this information. Just click generate, because will not take any effect if you add it. So even here, I change to be 0, and then to generate. Let's see what will happen. Okay, here successful. So now I have generated the merchant SKU for my Shopee. Let's check it. Go for merchant SKU. You can see here, these 3 merchant SKU already created and also mapped with my Lazada and Shopee. And the inventory of the merchant SKU, still 100. Just follow the first time in the pop-out page, the information I input. So remember, for the second generate, maybe for your another shop, another marketplace, here, second generate, third generate, the pop-out page, you don't need to do anything, just click generate, because will not take any effect if they are in same SKU name. Okay, so this is the second step to create a merchant SKU and finish the mapping. You can see here easy. Just go for products, active, check the product, and then to map here, generate merchant SKU, do it by one click. Okay. Yeah, here I notice we have some question. Yeah, no worry. Later I will answer your question. Yeah, we still have 2 steps, but will not take too much time for the following 2 steps. Okay, for the current step, if you don't have question, then we will move on. Next step, to add inventory push rule. Actually, inventory push rule is very important. If you want to use Big Seller to automatically push the inventory in the future, to automatically push. So you need this one, inventory push rule. You can go for inventory push rules here to set up the push rule. And for seller, if you only have one warehouse, basically you just need one push rule. Yeah, you can put all the SKU into one push rule, and Big Seller will automatically identify which shop we need to push. Here at push rule. In the push rule, the information, first one is the rule name. Can be anything. My name. And next one is the shop. Here I'm selling this product on my Shopee page and my Lazada page. So I choose these 2. Yeah, you can also choose all shops directly. So in the future, even though you have a new shop, you don't need to go for push rule edit to choose it again. Okay, here I choose these 2. And the merchant SKU, I have created this 3. 1, 2, 3. Yes. If you already trying in this step, remember to click select all here. Can select all the merchant SKU into one push rule. Confirm. And next one is the push quantity. Here you can decide how many stock you want to push to online shop. Like some seller, maybe they want to put a lower stock to the online shop, can urge the buyer to place the order. Like here, I can set 10%. So even though I have 100 pieces in my Big Seller warehouse, so our system will only push 10 stock, 10% to your online shop. Yeah, some seller, they will choose this selling strategy. But if you want to put all the product, all the inventory to your online shop, you can select here, choose to import 100%. And next one is the warehouse. I use my warehouse, Tansy warehouse. And last one is the stock threshold. This one is optional. Yeah, if you always have the problem like overselling, or maybe you have reissue package, but you haven't prepared the inventory. So you can enable this button, and you can set when, here is example, you can set when available stock is lower than 5, then we'll push stock 0 to other shop. So in this case, when you lower than 5, means when you have 4, these 4 stock will be reserved in your Big Seller warehouse. In your Shopee, Lazada will have no stock to sell. Yeah, so this 4 could be the preparation for overselling, or maybe for reissue package, maybe item damage. And also you can choose to push these 4 stock to be on sale in one shop only, like Shopee. Yeah, choose it to be accepted. Like maybe my Shopee has more followers, more orders than my Lazada. So I can choose it to be accepted. So if in this case, when I have 4, these 4 will be pushed to my Shopee only, but Lazada will have no stock to sell. Yeah, no stock to sell in my Lazada. So all the buyer need to go for my Shopee. And after this setting, you can still set reserve inventory like lower than 3. So it means when I only have 2, these 2 will be reserved in my big seller warehouse and will not be sell in my Shopee and my Lazada. We'll have 0 right now in my online shop. So if you always have the problem of like overselling, or maybe you don't have any preparation for reissue package, you can set this one, stock threshold, to avoid these situations. Yeah, but if you don't need it, you can disable it. It's okay. Okay, so here is the setting for push rule. Remember to put all the merchant SKU inside, select all the shops. Yeah, you don't need to have multiple push rule if you are in the same percentage and you only have one warehouse. Okay, so if no problem, remember click save. And here for the first time you set up the push rule, you will have 2 options. You can choose only save, not push, or save and push immediately. Here for new user, for this part, we recommend you clicking here, only save, not push. Just save this rule first. Don't push it right now. And before you click push, you need to go for inventory list, have a brief check whether inventory is in problem. Like here for my 3 variation, I can have a brief check whether inventory is correct or not, especially for 0 stock. Like some merchant SKU. Here I don't have example. Yeah, because maybe for some seller, when they are generating the merchant SKU, they will click the brush, the button in the pop-out page. So the inventory will be clear to be 0, and they don't know that. Maybe they don't pay attention, just generate it. So we'll have the wrong stock in big seller warehouse, and then they push immediately. So we'll have error. So remember, before you click push, have a brief checking in your inventory list. Okay, so for my side, no problem. If there's any problem, I can add it here directly. Okay, so let's go back to the third step, push rule. Okay, no problem right now. I can click push now, this button. Okay, here is successful. Please check the result in the push record later. Okay, so here means that this push rule has been triggered. And also here we have the cool time for the next push, the manual push. Remember, only when you are creating a new push rule or you added the content inside, then you need to click push. Otherwise, you don't need to click. Big Seller will automatically do it. Okay. So let's check the push record here. You can see all successful on my Shopee. And also for Lazada, I need to wait for a while. Yeah, for the first time to set up the inventory push rule, you need to wait for maybe 30 seconds. And for the push record, if you want to check it, you just need to check here, the fail record and partially failed. And for every fail record, we will have the reminder like this one. The store SKU cannot be found. You can sync the you can sync the store SKU in the product module. Yeah. Remember, just follow here, follow the reminder, do some adjustment, and then to check it, push again to see whether it's successfully pushed or not. Okay. But if here, like my example, or successful, including Lazada and Shopee. So here means that big seller has successfully pushed inventory from my warehouse into my online shop. So here is the third step, inventory push rule. And after you set up the push rule, the final step is to enable inventory feature. And this step is on setting. Setting, inventory setting, inventory feature, this one. But remember, only when you have generated all the merchant SKU, then to enable it. Otherwise, you will have this problem in order processing. You will have this error. The product of this order doesn't have any mapping with the merchant SKU. Yeah, you will face this problem. Yeah, so you need to generate all the merchant SKU, then to enable it. Otherwise, when you have a new order, our system will not identify which SKU I need to allocate. Yeah, which merchant SKU. And after you have enabled this button, when you have a new order synchronized to Big Seller, our system will first allocate the stock. And when you ship this order, the inventory will be deducted automatically. And here you have two options. You can allocate the stock after placing order and also can after paying orders. For the first one would be better avoid overselling because even for unpaid order, our system will allocate the stock as well. Yeah, so maybe suppose here I have 3 products, yeah, in my online shop. So maybe I'm selling on Shopee Lazada as well, but maybe my Shopee seller placed the order right now, but haven't paid for it. And this inventory will be allocated for this order. And for my another buyer, if they want to take this order, they cannot place it. Yeah, if there's only one stock left. And when people place it, even haven't paid it, the inventory will still be locked by this order. So then the online shop will display 0 stock. For some other buyer, they cannot place it. So the first one will be better avoid overselling. And remember, only when you have created all the merchant SKU, then to enable it. Yeah, if you haven't get all the steps prepared, don't enable it. Yeah, it's not a good thing. Yeah, it will cause some error. Okay, so this is the final step, inventory feature. And also, if you want our system automatically deduct inventory when you ship the order, you need to process your order in Big Seller. Means that for new orders, you need to click pack in Big Seller. This button is required. Yeah, you need to arrange shipment in Big Seller. Okay, so go back to our summary. Here we have 4 steps to use push inventory feature. First step, regulate your store SKU. Second, create merchant SKU do mapping. And third step, inventory push rule. Final step, inventory feature. And also here we have some notes, like the first one I already mentioned. If you want to use Big Seller, deduct inventory automatically. Remember, process order in Big Seller. Click pack in Big Seller. And second, if you have a new stock arrive, or maybe you want to modify the inventory from your online shop, please use your Big Seller to add it. Like here. Like these 3 examples, suppose I have a new stock from a supplier, I can use inventory, manual stocking to add inventory. And also if you have, maybe you have some other situation, you need to deduct the stock, maybe you have some offline or some other cases, you can try manual stock out. This tool to adjust your inventory. And for stock count, this one would be happen if you have, maybe you have numbers of merchant SKU, you need to add the inventory. So you can try stock count. Can use Excel file to count your warehouse inventory. And manual stocking would be useful if you have a new stock from supplier. Let me try one example. Inventory, manual stocking. Edit, add the stocking list. Here, let me select it. Now, currently I have 100 pieces for these 3 SKU. Suppose now I have another 100 pieces and click submit. Successful. So now I have manual stocking for my merchant SKU to make it inventory list, to make it change to 200 pieces. Okay, so now I have added my merchant SKU stock, and then Big Seller will automatically push because I already have a push rule. So in the push record, I need to wait for a while, and then Big Seller automatically push 200 pieces. Because here I operate in an urgent way. Yeah. Okay, let me check my push rule. Is there any problem? I think no. Yes, just need to wait for a while. Then system will push to your online shop. And this is the way to manual stock in and manual stock out. Merchant SKU already changed to 200 pieces. Push record. Need to wait for a while. Let me see the font. And here I noticed we have some question. Please wait for a while. And now let me check it. Just wait for a while. How do you push inventory if you need to add new additional variation? Where do we add the new variation? Actually, for new variation for existing product, you need to go for your seller center to add it. Yeah, currently we don't support adding or editing the variation in Big Seller. Yeah, you need to go for a seller center, add it, and then go back to Big Seller products active to check it, and then to generate merchant SKU for your new variation. Yes. And next question, my understanding is that Lazada SKU and Shopee SKU is different. So Big Seller will link Lazada and Shopee SKU. Yeah, if you are using different SKU, you can do the mapping as well, but you need to try some other way. Here I haven't shown in the training. Can you mask upload Lazada SKU? Yeah, for Shopee SKU, you can use Excel to upload. In here, import and export. This one can use Excel to upload. But for Lazada, currently, yeah, we don't support. Yeah, we still have the API interface limit. But next month, we will have the optimization. Can you show how to sync all the item price and promotion prices in all platform without getting any penalty point? I try to use the linkage information, but still confused how to use it. Okay, sure. Yeah, for the push inventory push rule, this part. Oh, here successful. Okay, see here. If I manual stock in here, we'll have the record successful. So in my online shop, we'll change to 200 pieces as well. Refresh it. 200 pieces. Yeah, so remember, if you want system auto deduct the inventory, process order in Big Seller. Second, you need to edit inventory for your merchant SKU. Then will automatically push to your online shop. Okay, so here are the information for inventory, this part, push inventory. But if you still have some other question, you can leave your question in the chat box. And our next part would be the new features. Yeah, I want to share the feature of Big Seller app here first. This one, scan to send image. But maybe some of you already tried this feature before. It's not a new feature. The reason why I want to introduce is that we support free version to use the scan to send image. Yeah, previously it's a paid version feature, scan to send image. Now we enable this feature for all the users, scan to send image. Yeah, you can scan this code to download our Big Seller app to try it. Can search in Apple Store, Google Play, and also can scan this Android APK. Big Seller app. Okay. Now, if you want to know more detail, you can leave your comment in the chat box. Scan to send image. Now it's available for all the users in free version. Okay, so let's move to the next feature, products, information linkage. Information linkage, this one. Okay, so for information linkage, here we have, let me refresh it. Here my network is not good. Products, information linkage. Actually, the flow to do information linkage is that first, you need to create information linkage group, and then you need to enable it, enable the status, and then you can start editing your prices in your shop. Currently, we support Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok. For Shopee and Lazada, we support synchronizing the original price. But for Lazada, we can synchronize the original price and also for the special price. And in next month, we will optimize and also for Shopee, TikTok promotion price. Currently only for original price for Shopee and TikTok shop. Okay, so now let me show how to do it. Let me find one example. And Shopee, I think I can use this example directly, this one, because I'm selling this product on my Shopee in my Lazada. So information linkage, create it, create the information linkage, give it a name, can be anything, choose the region. My Shopee and Lazada, they're in Philippines, sales region, so I choose it. And next, you can select the SKU inside. You can select manually for each variation or select by SKU mapping. If I choose manually, I need to go for my Shopee listing, choose it, and then go for my Lazada, choose it again. So if you have multiple products, you need to do the duplicate actions. Now you need to select multiple times. Here, if you already tried Big Seller Merchant SKU, you can try the second option. Select by SKU mapping by merchant SKU. So here I have 3 merchant SKU already mapped with my Shopee and my Lazada. So here I just need to choose these 3, confirm. You can see here at 6 variations because they are already mapped. So here my Lazada, also my Shopee product, they will be select inside. So if you already create the merchant SKU, the second option will be better. You just need to select it once, and then all the variations will be select in if they are in the mapping. Okay, so here, let me show one example first. If I only want to synchronize one variation, okay, SKU mapping, this one, 75 mil, confirm, 2 variation inside. Okay, so here, click Save. I already created for my Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines. And then I need to click Enable, Open, Confirm. Okay, so the status has been enabled. Then I can go to my listing, product listing to edit the price. Yeah, currently information linkage, we only support the price linkage active. The variation is the 75 mil. And remember, if you want to edit the price, you can edit here in this page or in single edit. If you do in bulk edit, we don't support this button. We don't support. You can edit price here or single edit. Let me edit this one, the variation. Edit. This one is in my linkage group. I edited to be 9,000 pesos. Okay, confirm. You can see here, information linkage can be triggered. You can choose continue or do not trigger linkage. Continue. If you choose continue, here will show the result, which marketplace has been affected. Here, I just added my Shopee product, and then I will add, here will affect my Lazada. And you can see also here, the price after linkage. Originally, it's 10,000 pesos, but now 9,000 pesos. And here, if you do it in a wrong operation, maybe for some SKU, I don't want to link the price. So you can choose here to disable. Just click update if no problem. Update. You can see here the information linkage has been triggered. The relevant information is being updated. View it. Okay, so here successful, all successful. Just like a push record, you can see the linkage record. We have the status here as well. Updating, successful, failed. If here all successful, so it means that the price has been synchronized. You can click into details to see more. Wait for a second. This one. And for that seller, if you are doing, maybe you have tried, but it doesn't work. I think that's a problem for multiple variation. May I know, did you put multiple variations in the linkage group for multiple variation? Because in my example right now, just one variation. Okay. The detail already successful for my Lazada. So now in my Shopee, the 75 mil will be in 9,000 pesos. Also, for my Lazada, the same. They will be in the same price. You can see here. Special price promotion, you mean this part? Right? This part? Yeah, you can add it as well. You need to set it first. Like here. Remember to set the special date. Okay, confirm. The special price should be greater than 0 and less than equal to, I see, less than, right? This is the problem. How about 8,000 peso? Confirm. You can see here, can trigger information linkage again. Yeah, just need to add it here for special price. Continue. Then we'll show the record, update. But remember for Shopee, we don't support the promotion price. So if you want to, like, I want to synchronize my Lazada special price to my Shopee Lazada, currently it doesn't work. Yeah, for Shopee and TikTok, we only support synchronizing original price. Yeah, so for me here, this price will be updated in the original price. I can show you here, products, Shopee, 9,000 PCs. Give me a second. I think maybe would be Lazada. Oh, 8,000, sorry. Yeah, 8,000 pieces. Yeah, so for this price, just update on my Shopee original price. Because for Shopee and TikTok, we only support the original price synchronization. For the promotion price would be in our next month, the optimization. Yeah, look forward to that. Okay, so this is your problem for, you are facing, the problem you are facing, right? For a special price. Yeah, for Shopee, TikTok, only original. Lazada, we have set a special price. So currently, you can synchronize your Lazada special price to your another Lazada shop if you are selling the product in multiple Lazada. Yeah, for Shopee and TikTok, the promotion price synchronization will be launched next month. Yeah, you can follow our dashboard here, system notification. Once we have a new feature, we'll update here. And also, if you are in our customer service group, maybe on Viber, Telegram, or maybe WhatsApp, yeah, we will have the reminder there for new feature, system notification as well here. Okay, so this is for information linkage. Very easy. Create a linkage group and then edit the price and then see the linkage record. If successful, then done. Okay. And also for our new feature for offline seller, if you are selling an offline shop, you can go for orders, post retail order. To use Big Seller, record your post retail order. You can use your scanner, connect with your computer. Just use your scanner, scan SKU label, and then here we'll add the quantity. And also here we can print the invoice for your offline shop seller, buyer, sorry. If you are if you are selling in offline shop, you can leave your comment in the chat box to let me know. Yeah, because our training will be ended at 9 p.m. So now, if you have any other question, maybe for Big Seller app or Big Seller order processing, inventory feature, can raise your question in the chat box. Yes, and also you can scan this QR code to download our Big Seller app. Currently in our Big Seller, this is not a latest version. Let me change. Here I can show you our Big Seller app. Our Big Seller, currently we have some scanning feature and also we have the inventory part in the Big Seller mobile app as well. And we have the sales data. Yeah, you can check the real-time sales data in Big Seller app. We also have the blog. Yeah, you can check some selling strategy and also for some other system notification or also some marketplace. Here, let me show you. Here in Big Seller, this one. Our Big Seller app can search in Apple Store and also in our Google Play. This one, Big Seller app. You can see the sales today for the data, the real-time data. And also we have some scan feature, scan to send image, this one. You can use it to scan the order number, then you can take a picture of your package or maybe the item inside, and all the images and message will be sent to your buyer by using this one. It's a free feature right now, scan to send image. And for some inventory manage, you can use the Big Seller app to do manual stocking, stock count, and also can process order in Big Seller app. And for this blog, you can check some marketplace news or some marketing selling strategy. Here we will update it in every weekdays. Yeah, I can follow it. And also in the here setting, we have a notification setting, new order, and also for inventory alert. If you enable the first one, when you have a new order, the system will notify you in every 15 minutes. So once you have a new order, the Big Seller app will tell you, hey, you have an order. Yeah, remember to process, something like that. So you would not miss every order. You can process immediately, yeah, in time. And the next one is an inventory alert. Okay, so here, if you have any question, you can raise it in the chat box. And also maybe maybe in the future time, you have the needs to have the new feature training for your team, for your partners together. You can go for here on service training requests to initiate the training for your team, for your partners together. And the training here is free training, the training. This one can initiate and our customer service will contact you as soon as possible to help you arrange the free training, maybe online training or offline training. Currently, we have office in Malaysia and Indonesia, Thailand, Vietnam. And in the coming days, maybe next month, we will have our office in Philippines. Yeah. Yeah. If you want to have the training in Philippines offline, yeah, can contact us right now. Okay, so that's all of our training today. If you have any question, feel free to contact us in here, the WhatsApp, Facebook, email, or maybe Telegram, Viber. And also in the future time, if we have any training, we will have the notification in here in dashboard. Yeah, our dashboard. Okay, so that's all of the day. Thank you so much for attending. Hope to see you again. Good night, guys. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you for attending. See you again. Bye bye.